Alright, so today I'm going to do a review of these made good granola bars. I bought a whole box on Amazon Prime Day. Check this out. And we're going to do a review of all of them. But we're going to start with this granola mixed berry. There's only 5 bars in there. These were on sale, and that's why I picked them up. And I've tried them before, and I thought they were pretty good. I tried the little bites, and you can get them at Costco too. So, and if you look here, here's a Nutrifile. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And it is basically gluten-free, and you'll see that oh, check this out, it has a little bit of agar in here. So if you're sensitive to agar, be careful. That's like basically a seaweed sort of thing that they use to thicken stuff up, so that's interesting. Yeah. But these generally say these are, as you can see, nut-free, and yeah, that's interesting. Here it is right here, if you guys want to read it. They say it's nut-free. They usually say gluten-free and vegan. So yeah, there you go. Free of these things right there. All right, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Wow, these things are tiny. So here's the size. There's my hand. Yeah, these are pretty small. Let's open this up. That's what they look like, and let's do a quick taste test. Wow, they're so soft. They're really soft and chewy. Yeah, tastes like berries. Pretty good. Slightly sweet and super soft. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comment, please subscribe to the channel.